animation. Now let's check out how easy it is to create a new scene from the parts of this project. I want to create a new composition, and first of all I want to drop some background. I type in 0BG, straight away I have the preview or some BG from the list. So I will drop some simple background behind, then delete the name, and think about some idea. So my idea is to use some people and show how they connect via internet using their phones or computers. So I will go to composition people, find man and woman body. And what you want to know about the animation of the icon, that first 2 seconds is the animation in, and then it is the looped animation cycle of 17 seconds. So now I want to reposition them, and first go to the 5-second round and create a simple scene. Drop everything I need and then shift the timeline. So first I want to go to work and science, find the Sputnik. It highlights internet nicely. If I don't like this Sputnik, I have another option. I just choose this layer, hold Alt, drop on top of the highlighted layer, release Alt, and see it changes but have the same scale and position properties. But I like this one. And then I want to add maybe the planet Earth. Maybe not this one, maybe this one, or maybe this one. It doesn't matter. And add some more stuff. Now I created some composition and I see that there is not enough contrast in this color scheme, so I can easily apply a drop shadow effect to add the contrast. And if I don't like how the background and the icon works, I can easily, in any time I want, go to global controls, choose the layer global, and change this background to any crazy colors I want. It will update instantly and change the look I need. But for right now, let's stick with the colors and just concentrate on the animation. So we have the man with computer, he sends the signal via internet through to another point of the planet, sends his message to the phone, and girls gets this message. We have the simultaneous animation. We just want to have it first, second and third part. So I will choose the man and computer, highlight it on the another color as the first part. I want to be it completed on the halfway from the start. So it will start on the second I want to start appearing message on planet Earth, so I will leave it as it is, and I will shift woman and phone and message to the second. And now we see man appears, then he sends signal, and woman gets her mail. And I set up for you the manual circuit composition that you can copy and create your own manual circuits that I used a lot in example scenes. For example, in the Business Connect D, no, Business Connect C, yes, this hierarchy. This is a very simple technique that you can use. All you need to do is draw some shapes. Hold Shift to draw only straight lines and 45 degrees angles. And you want to check the fill for the none and get some value for the stroke effect. Quickly draw some lines through the icons to the phone. Draw as curvy as you want, then uncheck, start to draw a new line. And you can easily duplicate different instances and move it around to add more lines You can add some additional connections between Planet and Spotnik. Don't forget to hold Shift. Again, you can duplicate it. And when you're happy with your lines, now I'm happy, you drop it on the bottom layer, you check it once again, and now you want to go to the shape layers and find the manual circuit border. I will duplicate it, create a new name for it, and open it. So if I copy this shape layer, I will call it my circuits. I will find the structure that I prepared. So we have two shape layers. This is the same layer, so I paste my circuit, duplicate it, and then I want to copy effects from the bottom one and delete, and then I want to duplicate the effect from the top one on my layer and delete, and I push F4 to switch to track matte if you don't have it, and set the track matte to Luma matte. And now we see we have the energy flow through our circuits. And all I left to do is to switch this shape layer, I delete it and drop my circuit. It automatically applies and we have nice circuits and we have nice animation. And as the last part, I just want to animate this shape layer through the animator, for example, trim path that can cut my lines, and I started from the start to end, so it automatically works. And I will start maybe from 1 second, go to 3rd second and finish it, make some nice keys. And I forget to copy this trim path to my other layer. Let's start to draw. And now you see we have the nice scene how the girl gets her message in few clicks. And maybe all I left to do is just reposition my Spotnik so I would be happy. And it's ready to be rendered. So have fun and share your results with me.